Want more free time? Of course you do. Automating your business is like having a clone. This clone works 24/7. It never complains, and it lets you escape the daily grind. Imagine this. You're on a beach. Your business is making money, but you're not answering emails. You're not putting out fires. That's the power of automation. It's not about replacing humans. It's about replacing tasks. Tasks that are boring, repetitive, and steal your time. Time you could spend on things that matter. Automation equals freedom. Freedom to travel, spend time with family, or finally start that passion project. Ready to break free? Let's do this. Don't get overwhelmed. Start small. Look for the biggest time wasters in your business. Answering the same customer questions, sending invoices. These are prime candidates for automation. Map out your processes. Write down every step. This might feel tedious, but it's crucial. You can't automate what you haven't defined. Next, prioritize. Which tasks will save you the most time? Focus on automating those first. You'll see the biggest impact and stay motivated. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start with one process, then another. Before you know it, you'll have a well-oiled automated machine. Good news. You don't need to be a tech whiz to automate. Tons of tools are designed for us mere mortals. Email marketing, MailChimp, or ConvertKit can handle it. Social media scheduling, Buffer or Hootsuite to the rescue. Customer support, chatbots are your new best friend. Don't forget about Zapier or IFTTT. These platforms connect different apps, automating tasks between them. Think sending a Slack message every time you get a new sale. The key is to experiment. Try different tools and see what works best for your business. There's an app for almost everything. Let's get inspired. Amazon, the king of convenience, uses robots in its warehouses for packing and shipping. This means faster delivery for customers and reduced costs for Amazon. Netflix personalizes your viewing experience by analyzing your watch history. This automation keeps you hooked and coming back for more. Even small businesses are getting in on the action. Local restaurants use online ordering systems to manage orders and reservations seamlessly. These examples prove that automation is for everyone. It's not just for tech giants, it's for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder.